In this video, I am going to teach how to make pivot summary in Excel. I had made this summary and here have some data, number of employee, number of absent, section wise you can filter and month wise you can filter. Individual you can check the section also. Then first need to go data and here you can see here I have section, class, date, month, number of employee, number of absent and absent percentage. First all data need to select, then click on insert tab, then click on pivot table. Now remove the tick mark and click OK. Left side have pivot table and right side have pivot table fields. Here are 4 options: filters, columns, rows and values. We can filter, we need to filter month and date. First select the month and scroll down and put in filter. Also date also need to filter. Here I'm sorry, mistakenly class came in the filter. Class need to remove. Again select the date and scroll down. And the rows, first need to select section and class, and number of employees should be value, number of absent and absent percentage. Here you can see all data should be sum. Now number of employee came sum but number of absent came count because the data, some data have missing. Here you can see number of absent have some data empty, that's why they are coming count. Now you can left click on field setting and sum and OK. And absent percentage also come count because same issue is there, some data also have empty, that's why they are coming count. Now here you can remove this absent percentage from here and click on the analyze, click on field item and field, click on field, then here you can write absent percentage. We need to make one formula and click here and remove 0, click on number of absent, then insert divided by number of employee, insert, add, then OK. Now this sum of absent percentage should be percentage, you made by percentage, then OK. Now our chart 50% ready. Now we can remove the grid lines, review and click remove grid lines, and also you can change the design and grid line. Now our chart is ready and all data should be center aligned. Now our chart is ready. For your support, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.